Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python pillow. In the last video we have discussed draw the shapes and the lines on the images with pillow. Now we are going to do converting between the image formats using the pillow Python. Means we are going to convert from JPEG to PNG, PNG to JPEG, TIFF, so GIF also. So we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the for I think PNG image. So already I have the PNG format, so I'm not going to use the PNG. I'm going to use another one, that is PNG to GIF. Okay, so let's have a look for that one. Let me comment this one. Okay, so let's add this path. So path we have added, and we have to convert that into the image dot GIF. Let's have a look how it comes into a role. So this is dot png. Let's check image dot gif. Image dot gif. So this is how the gif is created. So this is a conversion. What else the formats we have? The gif we have done. The next one, that is, you can make it like BMP format. Just you have to add the BMP. Okay, and here we have the TIFF format, right? So you can also do that one, also optional. If you want to check the available formats that this is getting in, just you have to print that one, image dot registered extensions. Okay, check the available formats, so just print it out. Print, just run it. So these are the available formats that you can use. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.